What kind of shit? Oh, it's one of the close ones. Am I gonna hit that? Yeah. Huh? Yeah, it's gonna hit. Is that good, or are you gonna have to go suck it closer? Huh? Can we get that one? Please?
What do you think? Is it good or what?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think it's gonna fit underneath there. Those ain't gonna fit underneath there. We're gonna have to lift it up. I just hope that's not this dude's piss right here. It's underneath that tire.
It looks like it.
I know. You want to get in between that thing. That wasn't intentional, like I kicked it away from Bert, guys, either. I was just, I think we laid it in some urine. Probably can't release the brakes either. We should pop the hood. Never mind. I thought there was going to be an airline down here. Huh? I don't know that it's piss though. Could have been Duke brushing his teeth.
Ain't soap and water.
When we go out there, I'm buying new straps. Because we gotta go to Joliet. Yeah. Huh? I think I've told this truck before. Or a truck somewhere. I don't know what air tank it has, but I mean, it's got no. That's fine. But you still gotta drop the drive shaft. Because if you don't, and you go down the road, and say for whatever reason the transmission's not getting fluid, it's gonna eventually burn it up, right? Is this unlocked?
Yeah. If you want to dump that air, you can pull it.
Yeah, it's quicker to just fan the brakes though. So what's wrong with it? It's dead or it needs regen? You said it needed a regen, right?
Yeah, but I had to drain the batteries down. I ain't had no heat, so I had my little heat on.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, it's stuck out here with no heat. I had my little heat on until the batteries went all the way dead. They ain't had no heat.
Yeah, I hear you, I hear you. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? back here.
Oh, that load real light too. It ain't with 7,000 pounds or nothing.
That don't
That's
concern
dope.
me none, right?
Yeah, I know. It's dope. Mine was 7 going down the road, empty.
Yeah. You got it?
Boxes.
I'll go to the other side. Yeah, well,
There, Kai.
I might have to try to.
On the frame.
Where's that?
Frame under here. It ain't going nowhere.
Is it strapped?
Yeah, it's strapped. You just gotta rest it.
Sure? Yeah, no. That's not gonna work. You're gonna have to move it somewhere else.
I don't got nowhere else up here, Kai.
What? Let me see it here. Grab this. Yeah, hold it up. Lift it up.
Yeah. It's up.
Yeah. So I'm just sitting here ratcheting this shit up. Move your hand. What the?
I got it. How you can let go? I got it.
Yeah, I know. It's gonna scoot this way as far as I can, so push it this way. That ain't gonna work.
It's good. Ain't going nowhere.
Try to pull it out.
I can't.
Alright. Got it? Those bolts. Yeah. Here, give me that. You can put those tools, put those on the driver's side like you do, and then release the brakes. Cool beans. Fun. That's usually how I do it right there. This right here don't need to stay here either. That's stuck in there, huh?
They left that on there the last time I got told.
Yeah, is it stuck on there?
Yeah, they ain't get it off. Somebody left that door on there.
Yeah, that's stuck on there. Alright.
Oh, they just tapped it in?
No, it's stuck on there. I can't even
Oh, I thought it was
press the spring one. Oh, it's one that's got like a tooth, so you push it in and then you turn it, locks in. So you gotta compress the spring, but it's probably just, it's,
They left it like that. That's what they told me last time.
well, typically I always leave them in there, but I'm hate for it to go and catch any of the chains and rip it and snap it, or
shoot.
you know, anything like that. I don't think I'm pretty sure we'll be clear because, you know, you're far enough away, but
Yeah.
you know, things can happen, so. All right. Alright guys, well, that was the hookup of this International tractor trailer. We're going to go ahead and tow it to the International dealership. So I'm going to clear that down. Looks like it will be somewhere.
That address is 14638 Apple Drive. You're welcome.
Off the dirty boot. Yeah. That's cool. Catch anything good? Catfish, couple catties. Took them home and eat them? No. Catch and release? Yeah. I went to the Walmart. Ready to go get my daughter cleats for soccer and some shin guards. Stuff guys, there you have. That was the hookup. Now Jay working out here, towing it.